Hi, I'm Anuradha Vellal. I'm the National Head for Talent Acquisition at Hindustan Coca-Cola. I've been associated with iimjobs for the last 2 years. At Hindustan Coca-Cola, I was associated with them even earlier as well. I am kind of using iimjobs for multiple requirements that I hire for, national level, senior leadership hiring that I do, and I've been very successful in using them. And thanks to them, they do a brilliant job of getting good people on board. They have a great product called as Calculus, which is basically for talent mapping. That's given me a very good results of talent mapping the external talent pool, and that actually helps me in showcasing the talent pool, external talent pool, to my leaders to make a very informed decision of the kind of talent we need to bring on board. Thank you very much for helping us in achieving our targets, and I'm really looking forward for a longer association with iimjobs.